In today's video, I'll be walking you through the specific features within Zoho CRM and talk about how to streamline your lead management system within the application. Let's get started. Lead management is a systematic process in which incoming leads are qualified, analyzed, and nurtured so that they can be converted into new business opportunities. In a typical sales process, leads from multiple channels enter your lead management system, and the sales-ready leads are converted into deals. If you want to make the most out of prospects who are interested in your product or service, you need to have a lead management platform in place. Once you've set up your Zoho CRM account and configured your personal settings accordingly, the next step would be to customize your CRM system. Customizing the CRM system refers to creating all of the modules, fields, templates, pipelines you'll use in Zoho, arguably the most important step in learning how to use Zoho CRM. To do most of this, you would have to go on the setup icon on the top right. We will begin with modules and fields first. All Zoho CRM features and associated data are sorted into modules, as you can see on the top of the screen here. Modules are where users can collaborate and keep each other up to date on activities and statuses made on sales opportunities, marketing campaigns, or even customer support initiatives. By default, Zoho offers pre-made modules you can simply edit, such as leads, contacts, and accounts. You can also create new ones from scratch by clicking on the setup icon on the top right, and under customization, click on modules and fields. On this page here, you can view all of the modules that are created in your CRM system. To create a new module, you would just click on this blue button here. Start off by naming your module on the top left and drag all the fields that you would like onto this form page here. And once you're done, you can click on Save. You can also add fields to pre-existing modules by clicking on the module and clicking on this Fields tab here. And you can add new fields or edit the fields that are already existing. Here you can also add layout rules, validation rules, and even buttons. And if you go back to the screen where you see all of the modules, there is a button here, Organize Modules, where you can order them in the way you want horizontally by dragging them. And once you're done, you can click on Save, and they will reflect on this page here. An essential part of using any CRM system is managing your sales or operational pipeline. These are the steps needed to complete a workflow or close a deal, and will be used for status tracking and reporting in relation to your deals module. To create a pipeline, click on the setup icon on the top right, and under customization, click on pipelines. On this next page here, click on this blue button to create a new pipeline. From here, add the name of your pipeline, the layout you want, and the stages of your sales process. You can adjust the order of the steps once they're established, and even set the probabilities of stage conversions for when you run forecasts later on. Once everything is set, you can click on the Save button here, and that pipeline will be accessible to anyone with permission to use your deals module. Zoho CRM allows you to create and save templates in the CRM for emails, purchase orders, invoices, quotes, and mail merges. The idea is that rather than undergoing the tedious process of recreating a document or message each time an opportunity presents itself, users can plug in information relevant to that opportunity on something reusable and still keep a personal touch. You can customize all types of templates by clicking on the setup icon on the top right, and under customization, click on templates. On this next page, here you'll see 3 tabs on the top, and you can see that we can create templates for each of them. Each type allows you to create one from scratch, or you can use a pre-designed template from the Zoho gallery. To create a new template, you would just select which type of template you want to create, and then click on this blue button here and follow through with the process. Application integration helps you maintain, manage, and keep all of your applications updated while reducing data repetition and redundancy. When you create an integrated application network, all your business and work procedures can be automated and performed proficiently. Regardless of which Zoho created applications you want to add, you can do so by clicking on the setup icon on the top right, and under Marketplace, click Zoho. On this page, you can see various different Zoho applications that you can integrate within the CRM. Here you can choose the specific software you would like to integrate and follow the instructions as they're prompted on the screen. Once the CRM system is designed well and you are fully integrated with all of your add-ons, extensions, and applications you'd like to add, start making your CRM functional. This requires you to import or add data you've already collected and possibly stored in a separate data system. For data migration from a spreadsheet file or a separate CRM system such as Salesforce, HubSpot, or Insightly, go to the setup icon on the top right and under Data Administration, click on Import. On this next screen, there are a lot of CRM tools that you can choose to migrate from. Just select which one you would like to choose and follow through with the process on the screen. Once completed, all of your leads, contacts, deals, and activities from other systems will be added onto Zoho. One of the most important features on Zoho CRM is workflow automation. Automated workflows let you receive notifications, create tasks, and update data fields hands-free as events take place. For example, if a new lead expresses interest in receiving a quote, an automation rule can be set that creates the new tasks for the user to create and send an invoice if that lead moves to a certain stage in the deal's pipeline. To create a new workflow, you would just click on the setup icon on the top right, and under automation, click on workflow rules. To create a new rule, you would just click on this blue button here. And the first thing that you need to do is choose the module that it has to do with, and then name your rule. The first thing you need to do when you're creating a workflow is choose when you want to execute this rule. There's 3 options here, and when you click on a record action, you can decide on which action you want this workflow to execute. The next thing you need to do is choose the condition in which the lead will execute in this workflow. So we can say that when the stage is estimate sent, this workflow will execute. And on the last step, you just choose the type of action you want to execute once the condition has been met. Here you can do field updates, you can notify via email or Zoho Click, you can create tasks automatically. There's a lot of options here. Once you're done configuring it, you can click on Save. Once you have designed, integrated, and configured your CRM platform based on your needs, start inviting your users. To do that, click on the setup icon on the top right, and under Users and Control, select Users. On the Users page, to add a new user, click on this blue button, and this will take you to Zoho One where you can add a new user. Enter the identifiable information prompted, such as their name and email address, then select their role at the organization and the profile they will have. So to add a new user, you would just click on this blue button here and fill out all the necessary information here, and once you're done, click Add. Then you would choose the role here, and then select the profile. The profile determines their access rights. They can either have administrator or standard level profiles. Administrator rights give users access to all data and modules, while standard is limited and based on role and security parameters set by the admins. After the user is added, they will receive an email to complete their registration and gain access to the CRM. Like the system administrator, they can customize parts of their system experience in terms of layouts and homepage views. Furthermore, they can start using the features and collaborating on tasks and deals. The final step in learning how to use Zoho CRM is actively utilizing the features available. I recommend slowly becoming familiar with the basic features like lead management before experimenting with the advanced automation tools. Also, play around with the layouts until you feel comfortable with your interface. Some other tips to consider as you're beginning your CRM journey. First, constantly update your records at all times and keep working on your workflow automations until they're perfect. Next, report on your progress. Use the reporting and analytics features on Zoho to stay up to date with everything happening in your sales operations and within the platform. With this, you can make adjustments to your methods if they are not effective. The last tip is to ensure map fields are connected accordingly. Mapping your fields is important when it comes to converting your leads into an account, deal, and contact. Ensure that your fields are mapped out correctly to make sure that no data gets left behind. Zoho CRM is a powerful tool businesses use to manage sales, marketing, and customer support operations. Through this general help guide, you can get the full CRM experience for you and your team to automate business processes organize customer data, and increase sales revenue. Thank you for watching this video. If you need help setting up your CRM, contact our ERP Hub team for a free consultation using the link in the description below. For more information on Zoho, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.